there, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to be making some Baby Magic Baby Butter Dupe. I know. Before we get into that, I want to let you know that everything you need, the entire recipe will be found on my Patreon. If you look at the link in the description box, it will take you straight to it. The Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes, you name it. Everything is there. Okay. All right. So today, we're going to be making this baby butter. It's just a few simple ingredients. Everything is safe for the baby skin. That's the only thing about making a baby product. You need to make sure that everything is skin safe. Now, you can buy Baby Magic butter from the store without a problem, but normally when we look at the back of the label, we don't know what the heck is in it, okay? So what we're doing is we're basically making our own baby products. You guys know that I'm pregnant and I'm at the end of my pregnancy, so now I'm making my baby products and I want to know exactly what I am putting onto my baby's skin. All right, so we have inside of this beaker, we have some shea butter, we have some cereal alcohol, we have some jojoba oil. We also have some emulsifying wax NF inside of here. So all of this is safe for baby skin, especially the shea butter. It is so beautiful to use shea butter on a baby. I love it. All right, so the next thing we have is a preservative. Oh, actually my preservative is right here. The next thing we have is a preservative. And I have a little bit of fragrance. A little go a long way when you guys use the fragrance that I recommend in a Patreon. You just need a few drops of it if you're gonna be making this recipe. Inside of here, we have our glycerin, we have distilled water, and we have aloe vera gel. We're using aloe vera gel, kind of look like hair gel to me, because it's easy to just break down in the water. You don't have to worry about any residue or any stickiness. It really just completely dissolves as soon as you put it in the water. And last but not least, we'll be using some hydrolyzed oats. We can use colloidal oatmeal, but you have to make sure that it's a fine flour, and my processor does not do that well in that area. So I'm going to be using some hydrolyzed oats. Guys, I will put everything you need to make this inside of the Patreon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and heat up our water, and we're going to go ahead and heat up our heated phase, and that is the emulsifying wax and our butters, oils, that stuff. Let's go and get it done. All right. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pour your heated phase all into one bowl together. You have combined everything together. You want to go ahead and give it a little mix. You want to check your temperature to see if it's safe for you to add your preservative. And mine is at 113. So I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance. And now I'm going to add my preservative. So guys, we are finished. As you can see, it's a nice, beautiful, creamy butter, and it's not too thick. But remember guys, if you want to thicken up a little bit more, all you have to do is add a little bit more emulsifying wax, and it will thicken up the recipe. And if you want to thin it a little bit more, you just add a little less emulsifying wax. So let's go ahead and put this on my skin. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and just rub this one in. And as you can see, a little goes a long way, and it is definitely fast absorbent, and you don't have to worry about it being greasy or anything like that. So for me, when it comes down to this, I give this a 5-star. All right guys, well, this is the end of the video. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumb up, and go ahead and click that subscribe, and I will see you back again for the next video. All right.